Let's quickly move to global headlines. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has reiterated that the country could run out of money to pay its bills by June the 1st if the Congress does not raise or suspend the debt limit. She said that waiting until the last minute to suspend or increase the debt limit can cause serious harm to business and consumer confidence.
The Turkish lira dropped to a two-month low and equities stumbled as the nation's tight presidential election gears up for a runoff vote, with incumbent President Erdogan in the lead. The lira weakened to 19.7 versus the dollar, eyeing its worst trading session since November.
Well, an investment behemoth, Berkshire Hathaway, declares that they have started investing in Capital One while exiting 4 other investments as it cut back its exposures to equities. The company also revealed its stake in Diageo plc, which is a beverage company. Meanwhile, Capital One shares rose 5.4% in after-hours trading following the disclosure.
And in more drama with Elon Musk, the Tesla boss has expressed concerns over the company's hiring practices. He added that he needs to see a list of all the VP's hiring requests once a week to gain better understanding of the processes. Tesla staffers read the email as either a soft hiring freeze or a signal that Musk is renewing his focus on the car company.
Well, and tech giant Microsoft finally gets a green signal as EU regulators approve its $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard. This comes just weeks after UK regulators blocked the acquisition. EU stated that the deal won't stifle competition for popular console titles.
Once a digital media darling, Vice Media Group files for bankruptcy protection after years of financial troubles. A consortium of Vice's lenders, which include Fortress Investment, Saurus Fund Management and Munro Capital, is looking to acquire the company following the filing. The company, once valued at $5.7 billion, had been restructuring and cutting jobs across its global news business over recent months.
Well, and switching to politics, Russian officials denounced comments by French President Emmanuel Macron that Moscow was becoming subservient to China, saying Western countries must get used to a world underpinned by the Kremlin's close ties with Beijing. The Russian criticism focused on an interview Macron gave to a Paris daily in which he decried Kremlin's isolation brought on by its invasion of Ukraine more than 14 months ago.
And Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky was in Britain on his whirlwind European tour as Kyiv's ally promised to give the war-torn country hundreds more missiles and attack drones in an effort to change the course of the war. It's Zelensky's second trip to the UK since Russia invaded Ukraine in February 2022. Zelensky thanked Britain for its support so far and said that Ukraine were in way of preparing very important counter-offensive steps. Speaking together with UK PM Rishi Sunak, he declined to go into detail to not compromise the operation. Zelensky also met French President Emmanuel Macron at the Élysée Palace in Paris. The Ukrainian president had traveled from Germany earlier, where he met the German Chancellor and the country's president.